CMF Watch Pro 2 is all set to go official on July 8 alongside the CMF Phone 1 and CMF Buds Pro 2. CMF has now confirmed that the second-generation smartwatch will come with a 1.32-inch AMOLED screen with a refresh rate of 58 Hz and over 600 nits of peak brightness, and an ambient light sensor for auto brightness adjustment, which the first generation lacked. The official image shows the CMF Watch Pro 2 in CMF's signature orange color strap with a round dial, instead of the predecessor's square one. CMF might use magnets to keep the interchangeable bezels in place. The smartwatch will also come with gesture control. According to the image, you can turn your wrist outward and inward to launch different functions. It will support more than 100 different watch faces. The CMF Watch Pro supports over 110 sports modes and tracks SpO2 levels, sleep cycles, and stress levels. Bluetooth calling support, IP68 rated build. The watch packs a 340 mAh battery. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.